I'm getting chills when they tell me you're not yourself. Trying to move, but it's hard, I'm out of breath. Nothing belongs to you in life. Oh, the picture of you cuts like a knife. Whatever they call us, whatever they'll do, they're running in circles, circle of fools. Whatever we will miss, got nothing to prove. But in the dark I'm starting to. Whatever they call us, whatever they'll do, we're running together, I'll be here for you. Whatever we will miss, we find something new. But in the dark I'm starting to. I'm missing what's you. I see your face, your mouth looks like mine. Pretend to dream, surrounded by ghosts in white. And nothing belongs to you in life. Oh, the picture of you cuts like a knife. Whatever they call us, whatever they'll do, they're running in circles, circle of fools. Whatever we will miss, got nothing to prove. But in the dark I'm starting to. Whatever they call us, whatever they'll do, we're running together, I'll be here for you. Whatever we will miss, we find something new. But in the dark I'm starting to. I'm missing what's you. I'm missing what's you. Yeah. Voices in my head are killing me. Oh, they're killing me. I'm so wide, but want to reach. Oh, you look like a dream to me. Don't let me be. Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own. But you always know.
Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. I am Prissy Sutole, also known as All Things Prissy S. If you are new here, hi and welcome. I hope you're going to like it here and become part of my family. Here we do lifestyle videos, home decor, motherhood and everything in between. So I'm currently at Goma. I need to buy some stuff. I'm doing some home updates in my house. There is some stuff that I need to update: my garage, my living room area. I hope you're going to enjoy this video where I'm mainly doing home updates, fixing the things that are really worn out in my house. So that's what I'm currently doing. So I'm working on the garage and also my TV unit. As I've mentioned in my previous vlogs, that whenever it rains so much, the water floods into my house. So my TV wall unit was really damaged. I need to get some legs because it was mounted, like they didn't put the legs when they installed it, so it was seated on the floor. So when the water gets in, so the bottom part was really damaged. So that's what I want to work on. And also my garage, I need to do a makeover on my garage. My garage is a mess, so that's what I'm working on. So after here, I'm going to this place where they sell cupboards. I want to buy some cupboards for my garage. I need to install cupboards in my garage. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. So thank you so much for the support that you're currently showing our channel. I really appreciate you. So let's get into Gelma.
So you kissed a girl just 'cause you wanted to. Not thinking about what you made it do. She started doing her hair and makeup, oh, just for you. Only because you kissed a girl when you wanted to. You think you're young and smart, got no responsibility in this world. But if you're young and smart, you should know better. Don't get laid back 'cause you're not that cool. Don't think you're safe and sound walking around breaking rules. I bet your parents are worried sick. That's not as cool as you think, not as cool as you think, yeah. So you came home late just 'cause you wanted to.
Hi guys, so I passed by this shop called Osbro. I was just checking for some stuff as well, and then I came across these books. So I'm going to pick a few for my children. I want to instill a reading culture in them as they are young. I think they are quite good for bedtime stories. There isn't much in the English versions, only on Afrikaans, where there's a lot in Afrikaans. So yeah, so I took this and then some coloring books. They actually bought at home because of the holidays, so we're going to create some sessions where they're gonna be reading books and also doing some coloring. So yeah, this is what I am now up to.
That's not as cool as you think, not as cool as you think, yeah. Don't get laid back 'cause you're not that cool. Don't think you're safe and sound walking around breaking rules.
Hi guys, so this is the final look. I still need to put on some ornaments there on the, yeah, I still need to make order on top there. I need to get some nice ornaments to put on there, but currently I am very happy. And then these legs, they're actually bringing a statement on this, unlike how it looked when it was seated right on the floor. So this is how our wall unit looks like. I love these legs. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy this video. I'll see you on the next one. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also guys, don't skip the ads. Until next time, it's a bye for now.